Hello everyone and welcome. Today we're taking a slightly more advanced approach to online security with NPV Tunnel VPN, specifically using its SSH Slow DNS capabilities. This walkthrough will guide you through each step, including obtaining SSH account details, to configure and connect NPV Tunnel on your Android device. This is a more technical setup, but stick with me and you'll be browsing more securely in no time. Let's begin. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. Search for NPV Tunnel, and be sure to install the latest version of the app to ensure you have all the necessary features and security updates. Now leave the Google Play Store and open any web browser on your phone, such as Chrome or your preferred browser. In your browser, navigate to the SSH Ocean website. Once on SSH Ocean, find and open the menu, usually indicated by the three-line icon. Within the menu, go to Services and then select SSH Slow DNS. On the SSH Slow DNS page, select a server that is geographically near your current location. This will typically provide you with the best connection speed and latency. Tap the Get Started button to begin creating your SSH account. You will be prompted to enter a username for your SSH account. Choose the username that you will remember. Then, enter a password for your account. Make sure to choose a strong and secure password. Complete the reCAPTCHA verification to prove that you are not a bot. Once you have completed all the required fields and the reCAPTCHA, tap Get Started to generate your SSH account details. The SSH Ocean website will now generate your account details. Carefully copy all of the generated information. This will include the SSH host, port, username, password, and other DNS-related information. Open your favorite notes application on your phone, such as Google Keep or a similar app. Create a new note and paste all of the SSH account details that you just copied from SSH Ocean. This will ensure you have easy access to this information later on. Now return to the NPV Tunnel application that you installed earlier. Within NPV Tunnel, tap on the Config option. In the Config section, tap Add Configuration. From the available options, tap Add Config manually. Select SSH Config as the type of configuration you want to create. Set the protocol to SSH DNS TT. In the Remarks field, enter any name or description that will help you identify this configuration later on. For example, you might enter SSH Ocean US Server. Now, carefully paste the SSH host that you copied from SSH Ocean into the corresponding field in NPV Tunnel. Enter the SSH port, which is usually 22, in the SSH port field. Paste the username from SSH Ocean into the username field, and paste the password from SSH Ocean into the password field. Leave the DNS TT mode set to UDP. Now you will need to enter information for the resolver. Find and paste the name server value from SSH Ocean into the name server field. Finally, paste the DNS public key from SSH Ocean into the DNS public key field. Once you have carefully entered all of the SSH account details and DNS information, tap Save to save the configuration. Select the saved configuration that you just created from the list of available configurations. Finally, go back to the main home screen of the NPV Tunnel app and tap the Start button to initiate the VPN connection using your SSH Slow DNS configuration. And that's it. You have now successfully configured NPV Tunnel VPN using SSH Slow DNS. This setup can provide a more stable connection in certain network conditions. Remember to use VPNs responsibly and ethically. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more tips on staying safe and secure online.